guys and welcome to a new video. I am really nervous at this moment because my mom and my sister are in the taxi now on my way to here, and for the last few weeks I'm feeling a bit homesick. I really miss my family and friends, so I'm really nervous and excited that they're coming. Neen, what did you do?
Ik moet hier sporten.
Oh my god.
Mama.
Zit je in mijn oude.
Guys, I said to my mom that she could take frozen fruits out of the freezer with some yogurt. And she was eating it and she was like, huh, doesn't taste very nice.
It's a possible.
And then I wanted to look on the package what kind of fruits it was. And I showed her this and she was like, what? That's not what I ate. And then she showed me that she ate this, which are frozen vegetables in yogurt. Cheers!
Dat soort dingen allemaal. Dus je bent meer dan FIFA alleen.
Ja.
Ja.
Hello.
Hello everybody. We are going to play a say.
Hello everybody. Hello. Here is Nicole and I'm going to play Yahtzee.
Can you already see it? Today we went to the Golden Bay. Oh no, to the what bay?
Riviera Bay was het, met traps, ja. Riviera.
Oh yeah, Riviera Bay. Now we're gonna write a paper for Elisa and Terence. Dat is de liefjes. Now you can learn a little bit Dutch. Welterusten means good night. Slaap lekker means good night. Liefjes means sweetheart. Tot morgen means see you tomorrow. And Terence, his birthday is Monday. We're gonna pimp the house up with some flags and balloons.
Okay, so I just finished work. It is almost 3 a.m. and I'm making some overnight oats for tomorrow for the first time. And we have some fries in the oven. So
Yes.
that's nice.
Okay guys, I'm in Elisa's house and it's Terence's birthday at 12 o'clock. And they're working now, so if they come home, I decorated the house and I'm gonna let you guys see it now. Okay, when they come in, they see this with the balloons, with this happy birthday. And then you see this with the flags. Yes, and this is his present. We bought a plane, a mini plane, because he likes planes. He's from Air Malta and they are in Malta, so that's really nice. I see you guys when they come home, so I have to stay up late, but that's okay.
Dankjewel.
Happy birthday!
En er is hier een cadeautje.
Die heb je gezegd, hè?
Dankjewel.
Okay, guys, we're gonna make sprinkle cake with
Rainbow.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah. We already have milk and eggs.
Ja, en dan roeren.
Nee.
Oh my god. Good morning, guys. So we're gonna do a boat trip today to Blue Lagoon. We're gonna snorkel and in the sun and swim. Yeah, so that's really nice. I didn't film a lot this week, but that is also because I started with my new work this week. So I needed to follow a training every day from 10 until 6, and today is my only day off. But and also because I'm just enjoying them being here, so sometimes I just forget to film. So yeah, but today is their last day and it's gonna be a nice one.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening?
We arrived at Blue Lagoon and we're still on the boat, but look how blue this water is. A pineapple and a pineapple towel. We had pineapple cocktails. Cheers.
Yeah.
We're a bit burnt, but it's time to go back to Malta. Yeah, but it was really nice.
It was very fun.
Very fun day. Cheers for the last night. Ooh, good food. Enjoy. Good morning, guys. My mom and sister left really early this morning. They left me a note that they're gonna miss us. Really cute. But when this video is online, I will be in the Netherlands myself because I'm going there for a week. So that's nice. So I will see them again. And I can also visit my friends and other family there, so I'm really excited to go there. I really enjoyed this week of them being here, and I had to work, but we still did a lot of nice things. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and see you at my next one. Bye.